Hello and welcome to the channel. In this video, let's execute the following commands. First question is create directory Bca in current directory. So I am currently on D disk on strawberry directory. Use cd ... Now with the help of cd ... command, I am out of the strawberry directory. Now I will create directory named Bca. Type mkdir, which stands for make directory. Mkdir stands for make directory followed by file name. File name is Bca. Press enter and the directory is created successfully. Next question is create Try.txt in Bca directory. Now to create Try directory, let's first use Bca directory. So here we'll change directory. To change, use cd command. Cd stands for change directory followed by name of the directory Bca. Now we are on the location on D disk on Bca directory. Now let's create file Try.txt. To create file, type command copycon followed by name of the file. Press enter. Type some text. Press enter. Use Ctrl+Z and press enter to exit. Here file is created successfully. Next is list all files having .txt extension. Here we have to list files with only .txt extension. Firstly, let's check all files present in Bca directory. Use dir command. So here type dir and press enter. All files present here is visible, as in Bca only one file is present, that is try.txt. So we have to list all files having .txt extension. So for this command is dir space star .txt. This will display all files with txt extension only, that is files having txt type. Press enter and here is the file. Next question is delete try.txt file. Fourth question is delete try.txt file. To delete, type del command followed by the file name try.txt and press enter. So let's check out using dir command. So the file is deleted completely. And the last question, E question, is delete Bca directory or folder. So now we have to delete the Bca directory. To delete the file, firstly let's get out of the file. Use cd ... Now we are currently in the D disk and Bca folder or directory. Use cd change directory command to get out of the Bca directory and press enter. So now we are on the disk D. Now to delete Bca directory, use command rmdir, which stands for remove directory space followed by name of the file Bca and press enter. The folder Bca is deleted. To check, type dir and press enter. Here you can see Bca directory is deleted correctly. So these are all the 5 questions. Let's revise once. So to create directory Bca in current directory, command is mkdir and name of the directory, that is Bca. watch my previous video which I have already shared on command prompt, that is CMD. In my previous videos of command prompt, I have shared commands with syntax. So do watch that videos. You can also find link in the description box. So to create directory Bca, in current directory use mkdir space Bca. Next question will revise create try.txt. Firstly, we'll change the directory using cd command and we'll change to Bca. In the next line, we'll create using copycon command try.txt. Press enter, type some text, use Ctrl plus Z to exit. Then third question will revise is to list all files having .txt extension. Command is dir space followed by star.txt. Next question is delete try.txt file. Here we'll use del command space name of the file and the file will be deleted successfully. The last question we'll revise here is delete Bca directory. For this, we need to use cdd to get out of the current directory and then use rmdir and name of the directory. That's all for this video. I hope this will help you to solve commands. If you are new to the channel, do not forget to hit the red subscribe button, like this video. Thank you.